Nailed it! Hi, I'm here for the party. Come on in. Hey. Have a great night. Can I go in? Not so fast. You've gotta have a little sparkle. And you don't have it. Really? But I like my outfit. I guess I'm not going to the party. Whoa! Look at that! I have an idea. Time for a distraction. If she wants some sparkle, I'll give her it. Oh. What's that? Nice and quiet. I need to be quick. Hey! What are you doing? Get out of here! So rude. But I got a new ring. What's the point?
Psst. Hey, over here.
Who are you?
Check this out.
Whoa! So many choices! But I'll have that one.
It'll cost ya.
Thanks, mysterious stranger.
I was never here.
It's time to get to work. I'll put these gems in my hair. This is so easy! And it gives me some sparkle. I just click the styling tool and the gems attach to my hair. Wow! Woohoo! I love this song! Whoa, that's bright. I know. It's amazing. Wow! You'll fit right in. Thanks. I love her style. This looks good. What else? I know. Eyeliner. This is just what I need. Just a little flick. Okay. That's not what I planned. Okay, let's try this again. Huh? This is harder than it seems. I can't go out like this. Oh no! I don't have time for this! Okay. Focus. Nice and steady. Ugh! The pen isn't working! Come on! It's empty! Ugh, this is so annoying. I need to take this off. Hey, Ashley! Are you ready? We need to go. Ashley! Are you okay? I guess not. That's an interesting look. I had a makeup accident. Don't worry. I've got you. You just need some tape. Really? Just use it on the side of your face. Oh! I get it! It's worth a try. Get your eyeliner perfect every time with this hack. Place a strip of tape over your nose and then under your eyes. Then place another strip above your eyelid. It might look strange, but trust me. Now put some black eyeshadow on your finger. And rub it onto the corner of your eye. The tape acts like a guideline. Then remove the tape. You'll have perfect eye makeup. It looks so good! I love it! I told you it would work, but we have to go! Oh, okay! Almost finished! There! What's next? Oh, I should do something with my hair. Curls will look good. Now I just need a weight. That should do it. What? Where are the curls? Why isn't this working? I don't get it. The wires. You ate them? Why? There's no way I can fix this. Why does this always happen to me? I'm never gonna have curls. Is everything okay, honey? What's wrong, dear? My curlers aren't working. Look! Maybe I can fix this. I just need this hairbrush. What? Mom, I want curls. First, I'll take some of your hair. Then wrap it around the hairbrush. We'll wrap it nice and tight. We need some heat so we can use the hairdryer. Then, let the hair fall down. No way! Keep going, Mom! It's so easy. This'll really suit you. This is the last strand. Okay, that's it. What do you think? It's perfect! Thanks, Mom! Anytime, honey. Have fun! What an interesting article. I think I'll do my lipstick. That's such a lovely color. Thanks, Mom. Bye! Bye. Have a great night. My little girl is growing up so quickly. Oh no! My shirt! I have a lipstick stain on it. Oh, it's not coming out. My trusty duster will sort this out. Oh, did it work? Mindy's makeup. She should have used this. Phew, I almost forgot. I need that makeup. Sit down. I need to show you something. You'll like it. Okay? Here's a little tip. Put some powder on your brush. Then dab it onto your lips. Stay still. All you need is a light dusting. There, that should do it. Give me a kiss. The lipstick doesn't come off. Thanks. Bye. Now I need to get rid of this. Hi, take a seat. Sorry, it's my first day. Let's start by filing your nails. Take it easy. Okay, let's get some color. Which one do you like? Oops. I like the pale blue. Good choice. Wait. Be careful! Oh no! Look at me! What have you done? It was an accident. Hey! Are you there? Yoo-hoo! Oh, I drifted off. Can I borrow that? My hat? No, the paintbrush. Okay. This'll be useful. Remove the brush from the handle. Then put the brush into the nail polish bottle. Okay, let's paint those nails. This way, there won't be any spillages. The nail polish goes straight onto the nail. Whoa, that's so clever. How's that? Wow, they look amazing! I'll definitely be coming back. Aw, I'm happy to hear that. Here you go. You've earned it. Thanks. Bye. I need to remember that for my next client.
Oh, is that an animal? Oh, how disgusting is this? How long is this thing anyway? Whoa! I thought I'd never get out of there. See ya! I don't feel like studying. What up, bro? We're skating this weekend, right? Enjoy the view, boys. Check it out. They can't keep their eyes off me. What you guys talking about? Ooh! Dude! He's out cold! No! Boys?
Hey! Can I get in? Huh? Who are you? I want to do a TikTok with you too! What? Are you kidding? But why? Oh, just look at her hair. And her nails are perfect. Ready to devour some prey, but still pretty. My hair is a mess. Also, look at those dirty things. Wow, that was an instant change. Thank you. Oh.
You're welcome. I want nails like this too.
My face look like they need a little work. I need a new makeup. Come here, little guy. Don't be rude like that. Okay, let's get to work now. Steady hands, Emily, steady hands. Is the Joker looking for a new girlfriend? It's not that bad. These nails are ruining everything. I'll never get it right. Wait a second. Idea! Don't worry, kids. I'm not wasting my lipstick. Now I will need this brush. Let's get it. Done! Does this look like me? It soon will as I smudge my face in it. Wow! So beautiful! Look at these bushy eyebrows. I have to do something now. Let me see. Look what we have here. Help me, magic stick. Do you believe in magic or does it raise an eyebrow for you? Ooh, that's better. Who's she? She's looking mad gorgeous. I can't get outshined like that. Hi. Oh. These nails are ruining my life. Easy. Just watch this. And it is off. Now you can do everything. I can. Hey, look. What is the trickery? As easy as it looks. Take it. Thanks. It's not a big deal. Now let's put this beauty back on. Perfect. Do you see that? You're cool. Maybe we will be friends. Maybe. What do you mean?